polynomial?
Yes.
Yeah, it is a polynomial because 2 root 3, even if it is root has come, it is a constant. Root should not come in the variable. Okay, so that is a polynomial itself. Next one is, who will read next question? Afsana, will you read? Afsana is not hearing. Hey, Steve, will you read? Hey, Steve. Hey, Steve's video is not on. Okay, hey, Steve.
Ma'am, I did not write the questions.
Why? I sent it, no?
Ma'am, I didn't get it.
I sent through the WhatsApp. Okay, who will read that third question? Aman Shakir,
Yes, ma'am.
will you read it? Turn on your video. Yes. Children, I am getting angry that you are not responding at all.
It is not a polynomial.
Only Melvin is telling. Third
It
question,
is not a
somebody read.
polynomial.
It is?
Not a polynomial.
Why?
A polynomial.
Why?
Because root x is there.
Because root x has come. Okay. Then fourth question. Prajod, open the mouth and tell me what is fourth question.
X minus
4 by x.
minus 4 by x.
Is it a polynomial?
No,
Why?
because that 4 by x.
Divided by x has come. Okay. Then who will read the next one? Read first. Fifth one. Who will read?
X raised to 12 plus
Hmm.
y cube plus t raised to 50.
Is it a polynomial?
No.
No.
That is wrong. It is a polynomial itself, but it is not a polynomial in one variable. There are 3 variables. It is a polynomial, but we cannot consider it as a polynomial in one variable. There are a lot of variables in that. How many variables are there? 3 variables are there. 3 alphabets. Can you see 3 alphabets? It is a
Yes.
polynomial itself, but it is not a polynomial in one variable. You can write that. It is a polynomial, but there is 3 variables. It is a polynomial in 3 variables.
Ma'am, but it is not in decreasing order now.
No problem. Any order you can write.
Any
Since
order.
no problem. You can write any order, but it is a polynomial itself. Variables are 3 variables are there, only that. Okay. General form only in the decreasing form. Normally, if some are mixed up and it is a polynomial, we will consider it as a polynomial itself. Okay, children. Next one. Next one is y square plus root 2y plus y cube. It is also not in the decreasing order. It is not in the order, but will you is it a polynomial? Yes. Is it a polynomial? Yes or no? Is it a polynomial? Oh.
No.
Is it a polynomial?
No.
No.
Why? Why?
Because 3 variables.
Yes. There are 3 variables there. Y square plus root 2y plus y cube.
It is a variable.
It
It
is?
is a polynomial.
It is a polynomial. It is a polynomial, but y cube was given at the last. No problem. You can rearrange it and write as y cube in the first time. Y cube as the first time you can rearrange and write. But it is a polynomial itself. Okay, children. So, what about the first one? First one is a polynomial. Second one also a polynomial. Fifth and sixth also polynomial. Third and fourth is not at all a polynomial. So in that, not a polynomials are third question, third one and fourth one. Okay, third one and fourth one we can avoid because these are not polynomials. Others we can consider as polynomial. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Now we are moving to the other topics of this lesson. Now you are going to write the, you have your notes, right? Okay, so take your notes and write constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. Different types of polynomials. Constant polynomials. Constant polynomial. See, all constants are constant polynomial. Don't write. Wait. All constants. That means if we write simply 2, listen, I'll write on the board. Okay, children. If we simply write 2, okay, 10, -1, 3/4. All these are constant polynomials because we can attach an x raised to 0 to it. Isn't it? What is the value of x raised to 0? What is? No, x raised to 0.
1.
1. X raised to 0 is 1. We have studied in exponents. 8th standard. X raised to 0's value is 1. So all these constant values we can attach one x raised to 0. Did you understand? Okay. 10x raised to 0. What is the meaning of 10x raised to 0? What is the meaning of 10x raised to 0?
10 into 1.
10 into 1. Value of x raised to 0 is 1. Okay. Value of x raised to 0 is 1. So 10x raised to 0 means 10 into 1. Then what is its meaning? Its meaning is 10 itself. So all the constants we can consider as a polynomial. All the constants. So 3/4 means 3/4 x raised to 0. So it is a polynomial. When we attach a variable to a number, you will consider it as a polynomial. So all constants are polynomials. Did you understand? So these are known as constant polynomials. So what do you mean by constant? Surya, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you mean by constant polynomial? What are the constant polynomials? Example of constant polynomial. Will you tell one example? Tell.
5 is equal to 5 into 1 is equal to 5x raised to 0.
Okay, Ashay. Good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Others are simplicity. Okay. One more example. Anyone, please tell. Please.
10x raised to 0 is equal to
10x raised to 0 means simply 10. Okay. Okay, children. That is a constant polynomial. So you can write a polynomial of degree 0. A polynomial of degree 0. A polynomial of degree 0. Degree 0 is called a constant polynomial. Is called a constant polynomial. Example. 2 equal to 2x raised to 0. 100 equal to 100 equal to 100x raised to 0. 100 equal to 100x raised to 0. Okay, if I tell simply -1, you can attach 1x raised to 0 to it.
Yes,
So we
ma'am.
will consider -1 as a polynomial. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then under that you write that every real number is a constant polynomial. Every real number is a constant polynomial. Every real number is a constant polynomial. Okay, children, next one is zero polynomial. Zero polynomial. These are all types of polynomials. Next one is zero polynomial. Zero polynomial. Zero polynomial. Zero polynomial, okay.
Yes,
Zero
ma'am.
polynomial means zero. That zero is known as zero polynomial. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Zero polynomial. The number zero is known as the zero polynomial. Zero is known as zero polynomial because 0 equal to, hey Steve, not writing. 0 equal to 0x raised to 0. 0 equal to 0x raised to 0. Okay, to 0 also we can attach x raised to 0. Are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Like each constant we attached x raised to 0, we can attach 0 also. To 0 also. That means if you are simply writing 0 means it is 0x raised to 0. What is the value of 0x raised to 0?
0.
0 into 1. What is 0 into 1?
0.
0 itself. Okay. So it is a zero polynomial. So how many polynomials we studied now?
3.
3. 2 polynomials.
Yes, sir.
2 types of polynomials. One is constant polynomial and other is zero polynomial. Third one is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Okay. Linear. Do you remember when I took linear equation 2 variables, I told about linear. Linear. What is the specialty of linear?
Both
I
are
explained this term. Linear.
The highest degree should be 1.
Degree is
1.
1. Okay. Okay, very good. So a polynomial of degree 1. Right. A polynomial of degree 1. Polynomial of degree 1. Polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial.
Yes, ma'am.
A linear polynomial. What we have studied? We have studied polynomial linear equation of 2 variables. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So in that it is an equation and there were 2 variables. So now will you tell one example of this? It is only one variable. Example is f of x equal to 2x plus 3. F of x. Hey, Steve, we're not writing.
F of x is equal to, ma'am?
1 minute, 1 minute.
Yes,
1
ma'am.
minute. Hey, Steve, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you can write like this. F of x equal to 2x plus 3. What is the degree of it? What is the degree of this?
2.
No.
1.
Degree x
1.
exponent of x.
1.
1. And only one variable, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means polynomial of degree 1. Will you tell one more example? F of y. Y. Will you tell one equation in y?
9x plus 2.
Y.
So 9y plus 2.
Yes. 9y plus 2. Very good, Ashik. 9y plus 2.
Yes.
Okay, it is an equation in one variable and a linear equation.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now next one is next. So this is the third one. Surya, are you listening?
Ma'am, can you repeat the definition again?
Polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so a linear polynomial. Okay, now next one is fourth one. Look at the board. I'll write quadratic polynomial. Quadratic. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial.
Yes, ma'am.
If degree 1 is called quadratic polynomial, so degree 2 is called degree 1 is called linear polynomial. So a polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. I'll write a polynomial of
Degree 2.
degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial.
Ma'am,
Polynomial.
can you show the board, ma'am?
Yes, quadratic. QUA, quadratic. QUA, GRATIC, quadratic polynomial.
Descriptive problems.
Okay, children, what is quadratic polynomial?
Polynomial of degree 2.
Degree 2.
Polynomial.
Example is, I'll give you the example. F of x equal to 2x square plus 3x plus 6. 2x square plus 3x plus 6. What is the highest degree of it?
2.
2.
Okay. So highest power is 2. 2x square plus 3x plus 6.
Two variables and one constant.
Only one variable. X.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So will you tell one more example with the y? F of y means a variable in y.
F of y is equal to
Yes.
4y square plus 6 y plus 2.
Okay. 4y square plus 6y plus 2 means highest power should be 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So there will be 3 terms or 2 terms, but there should be one y square or x square term. That is a speciality. Okay.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
is quadratic polynomial. So first of all, we studied about constant polynomial. Do you remember constant polynomial?
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
constant polynomial?
A polynomial of degree 0.
Polynomial of degree 0. So examples of constant polynomials.
2 is equal to 2x raised to 0.
Examples, all constants, all real numbers are constant polynomials. Next one, zero polynomial. Zero is called zero polynomial. Third one is linear polynomial. What is linear polynomial?
A polynomial of degree 1.
Polynomial of
Degree 1.
degree 1. Okay. Polynomial of degree 1. Okay. Now, what is quadratic polynomial?
A polynomial of degree 2 is called a
Only
quadratic
Ashik is
polynomial.
telling the answers. Others are keeping quiet. Okay, what is quadratic polynomial? Hadi
A
Ami?
polynomial.
Okay, Adidev, okay. Adidev?
Yes, ma'am.
No, stop Adidev. Surya, you are laughing, smiling. You tell.
A polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial.
Polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. Now, next one is a cubic polynomial. Cubic.
A polynomial of degree 3 only, ma'am.
Yes. So, cubic polynomial. Do you remember cube? About cube?
Yes, ma'am.
So cube means it is a all length, breadth and height is same. So it is a cube. So cube, that word is 3. So cubic polynomial. Okay, right. Next one is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Will you write the definition?
A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial.
Okay. The polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. I'll give the example to you. I'll give the example. F of x equal to 3x cube plus 4x square plus 2x plus 6 and another polynomial in y cube plus 2y square plus 3y plus 7.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So it is a cubic polynomial.
Yes, ma'am.
Cubic polynomial. Now one more is there. Up to that we will study. Biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial means a polynomial of degree 4. Bi means bi. Will you write bi and one hyphen? Bi and one hyphen. Biquadratic. 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 Biquadratic
Yes.
means
A
a
polynomial
of
four.
degree 4. A polynomial of degree 4 is called biquadratic polynomial. Will you write one example for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will not tell you how to write biquadratic polynomial, a polynomial of degree 4.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. So, do you remember about monomial, trinomial, binomial, and trinomial and all?
Yes, ma'am.
What
Yes.
was that?
Terms.
Okay, Ashik,
Only one term.
only
term.
one term. So that classification is based upon terms. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
that classification based upon on the terms. That means only one term is known as monomial. 2 terms binomial, 3
Binomial.
terms trinomial.
Trinomial.
This classification is based on the degree. Okay. Based on terms, we classified as monomial, binomial, and trinomial. This is classification is based on degree.
Degree.
1 degree is known as linear polynomial. Second degree is known as quadratic polynomial. Third degree is known as cubic polynomial. Now, do you remember a plus b all square?
Yes, ma'am.
A square plus 2ab plus b square.
Yes, ma'am.
X plus a into x plus b, x square plus a
Algebraic.
plus b. All
Algebraic
these are
identities.
quadratic polynomials. All
Yes,
these
ma'am.
are quadratic polynomials. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. Next question is, classify the following polynomials. Question is, classify the following polynomials. Classify the following polynomials as linear, quadratic, cubic, and biquadratic.
Ma'am, can you repeat again?
Classify the following polynomials. Classify the following polynomials. What are the classification? Linear, quadratic, cubic, and biquadratic. I'll write the questions. And you have to classify it towards it. Okay, children. So, first one is x plus. Can you see what I'm writing? Yes. X plus x square plus 4. X plus x square plus 4. Second one, 3x minus 2. Third one, 2x plus x square. Fourth one, 3y. Fifth one, t square plus 1. T square. Sixth one, 7t raised to 4
Ma'am,
plus.
we can't see the sixth one.
Can you see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
4t cube. I'll read. Okay, I'll read after this. I'll read once again. First one, x plus x square plus 4. Second one, 3x minus 2. Correct? Third one, 2x plus x square. Fourth one, 3y. Fifth one, t square plus 1. And sixth one, 7t raised to 4. 7t raised to 4 plus 4t cube plus 3t minus 2.
Ma'am, last one.
One more time. 7t raised to 4 plus 4t cube plus 3t minus 2. Now you classify. Who is this Android? Android is there in this class. Who is Android? Android. Okay, children. I hope you have done it. Okay, what is the first one? What is the classification first one?
Quadratic.
Quadratic polynomial, good. Then second one, 3x minus 2,
Linear.
linear polynomial, good. Then 2x plus x square,
Quadratic.
quadratic polynomial. 3y, linear because it is 3y plus 0. You can write 3y plus 0. If it is 3y plus 3, you will write linear polynomial. Degree 1, even if there is no constants. It is a linear polynomial. Then what is t square plus 1? T square plus 1.
Quadratic.
Quadratic.
T square, T square.
Quadratic.
No, quadratic. Degree 2, T square. And the last one?
By quadratic.
Quadratic. Okay. So study well. Okay, children?
Okay,
Can I
ma'am.
leave now?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. Okay,
Thank you,
we'll
ma'am.
see you in the next class.
Thank you.
Very well.
Ma'am.
Bye.